Locks are never manufactured without a key. Similarly, God never gives problems without solutions. Only we need to have patience to unlock them. The biggest difference between money and time: you always know how much money you have, but you never know how much time you have. Never believe the lines on your hands that predict your future, because people who don't have hands also have future. Believe in yourself. Keep going. Each step may get harder, but don't stop. The view is beautiful at the top. Don't start your day with the broken pieces of yesterday. Every day is a fresh start. Each day is a new beginning. Every morning we wake up is the first day of our new life. Sometimes God holds you back until the road is straight and clear to continue. Be thankful for delays. What is meant for you won't pass you by. Too often, we underestimate the power of a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have the potential to turn a life around. It's painful to say goodbye to someone you don't want to let go, but it is way more painful to ask someone to stay when you know they want to leave. Crying is how our eyes speaks when our mouth can't explain the pain. Sometimes, the strongest among us are the ones who smile through silent pain, cry behind closed doors, and fight battles nobody knows about. People change for two reasons. Either their minds have been opened or their hearts have been broken. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be talked to. Respect is earned, not given. Some people in your family will come miles to bury you, but won't even cross a street to come support you when you are alive. According to research, 96% of women say they love being kissed on the neck by their partner. It's their favorite spot to be kissed. People will come and go in life, but the person in the mirror will be there forever. So be good to yourself. See you again next video. So, until next time, stay in love, stay in happy,